Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, what you will have to do is to switch to the video mode by pressing this QS quick switch button here. Then you have to switch, not like this, you have to quickly tap it, then switch to the video mode, and then when you're in video mode, just swipe your finger like this, and here you can change your video resolution. Here you have different resolutions like 720, 1080p, and other resolutions, even the 4K. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.